Today I sense a quiet stillness from an academic institution that thrives on sounds and the pulsating beat of everyday life. I sense a subdued, celebratory mood that has replaced the lively and festive air every September as we celebrate the life and times of our beloved Bicol University. As I look back at the golden moments in last year's 50th founding anniversary, the carnival rides, the food booth, the open-air cultural night, the glitz and glamour of the entire celebration, I can't help but be nostalgic. But all the nostalgia cannot replace the feeling of pride I have right now for my Bicol University family. Because in spite of the present situation, we have been thrust in unexpectedly. We have managed to ride the waves of change that this COVID-19 pandemic has brought. With each other's constant help and support, we were able to pool our innate talents and resources to organize in such a short time a capability enhancement for flexible learning. Our respective colleges, units, and offices all came together to ensure that safety mechanisms were in place to guarantee that the usual process will not be hampered or limited. Adaptive measures were likewise instituted. Most of all, each of us rose to the challenge of this pandemic by responding to the needs of our students, faculty members, and frontliners who were caught off guard during the lockdown.
Full-time ngunyan and fabrication laboratory kan Bicol University College of Industrial Technology sa pagibo kan mga face shields para sa mga frontliners sa rehiyon.
Makakatama, sabi ko sa nila, this is the best time to help. So mula tayo ako ng ibinigay because indeed, this is the best time to help.
Ngunyan nasubuot ang panahon tanganing magtarabangan ng gana maprotehiran ng mga frontliners sa Bicol, dawa nga ni daay pang naitatalang positibong kaso ng COVID-19 sa rehiyon. Thea Omelan, ABS-CBN News.
Alumni, partner institutions, along with the skills and talents of our faculty and personnel, were able to fabricate face shields, disinfectant mats, and others that were given to our frontliners as immediate assistance. This resulted in an enhanced and widespread COVID-19 assistance. We opened our doors to our medical frontliners and offered our grounds and dormitories, even in our external campuses. Food, donations, and other forms of assistance followed through the initiatives of various units, colleges, and alumni. we came through for our students who were stranded in the midst of the province-wide lockdown. The Bayanihan spirit was so much more felt and is infinitely alive in the hearts of every BUeño. We did not leave any student behind and ensured their safe return from their families. We are not indifferent to your plight, my dear students, because we care more than you would ever realize. Now, on our 51st founding anniversary, we call on the same communal spirit of sharing and service as we take on the celebratory cry of Andurog to our students and frontliners. Burugkos, burunyog sa pag-andurog sa panahon ng pandemya. Reflecting the spirit of unity and oneness, we call on the entire Bicol University family to extend your help to share and serve as change agents for social transformation and development. As we give due honor to our frontliners, we are likewise keeping in mind the travails and despair, the joys and hopes, the cry and anguish of our students in keeping with the sudden change in learning and living. Your Bicol University cares, and this is not just mere lip service. We walk our talk as we are launching the social service program for Tabang sa Pag-adal. We may be in the midst of this pandemic storm, but we don't just sit and lick our wounds. We are, after all, a resilient people. We think of ways and means to help ourselves and to help others more. That is the Bicol University spirit infused in every BU scholar and in every faculty and personnel. And it is what we bring out best as we celebrate and look back at our moments and continue to look ahead and live our dreams for Bicol University. Burugkos, burunyog sa pag-andurog sa panahon ng pandemya is the celebratory cry of the Bicol University family. Should we not celebrate? Perhaps not in the usual way we often look up to in terms of celebration, but the spirit of service and helping where we are most needed is always worthy of being celebrated. As one Bicol University family, let us continue living our dreams and helping others to live theirs and build more dreams together. Congratulations to all of us and happy 51st founding anniversary, dear Bicol University.